Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create a purchase requisition. Now, before we proceed, let us first see what a purchase requisition exactly is. Now, as you can see, a purchase requisition is a request that is made to the purchasing organization to procure a certain list of materials. It is an internal document and remains within an organization. Now let us see what are the different types of purchase requisition. A purchase requisition can be of following type depending on the type of procurement. So one is a non-stock item, one is capital material, one is service PR, one is single source, and there are many other purchase requisition. So now T codes used in this process. So T codes used are ME51N is to create purchase requisition, ME52N is to change purchase requisition, ME53N is to display purchase requisition, and ME5A is purchase requisition list display, that is list of purchase requisition. Now as we saw, to create purchase requisition, T code used is ME51N. So now let us begin. So all we have to do is enter ME51N. So ME51N will enter and press enter, or we can go through SAP menu, that is from logistics, material management, purchasing, purchase requisition, and create. So now next step is we have to enter material code for which the purchase requisition needs to be created. We'll enter material code. So now as you can see, once you enter material code, it is asking for a plant. So like this it will keep asking for the next fields which needs to be entered. So we'll enter plant, press enter. Now as you can see, it is asking for a quantity. Enter a quantity. So we'll enter a quantity now, press enter. So now it is asking for purchasing organization. So purchasing organization can be different for different companies, or as you can say, it is defined within the company. So we'll select one purchasing organization. So double click, press enter. So now what we are going to do is go to check option. So here there's a check option, as you can see. So now it is saying no messages issued during check. That means that purchase requisition is error free. So now next you can go to header data, and here you can enter text. So now this text is not a mandatory field, it is optional. So you can enter as and what you want. So basically this is the details of the purchase requisition you are creating. So you can enter anything. So we'll enter this PR is created or raised for testing purpose, and that's it. So now we'll check this rest of the field. So this valuation field is where you enter the price. Then this is account assignment field, and this status is an important field. So it gives you the details of the purchase requisition, as in the status of the purchase requisition. So now next what we have to do is we'll go to check again, press check, and now as you can see, no message is issued during check. That means the purchase requisition is error free. Now we'll save the purchase requisition. So once you save, as you can see, the purchase requisition so and so number is created. Now even this number are defined in a system, so that will learn in a some other video. We'll close this. Now as our purchase requisition is created, we'll display the same. Now to display the purchase requisition, the T code used is ME53N, as we saw earlier. Go to ME53N and then go to other purchase requisition and enter the purchase requisition and press enter. So this is the purchase requisition we have just created. So now as you can see, this is the status tab, and in status it is showing as non-edited. That means the purchase requisition has been created and no further changes are made to it. If PO is created against this purchase requisition, it will show as PO created. If RFQ is created, then it will show as RFQ created. So similarly, the status of the purchase requisition will change. So this status tab is an important tab. So now this is the material. If against this material code, if you want to see the purchase requisition, then you can go to ME5A and then you can search the list of the purchase requisition against that material code. So we'll go to ME5A and we'll enter that material code, material, and all we have to do is execute. So now against this material code, all the pending requisitions will be displayed. So now so far there is only one purchase requisition, so only one purchase requisition has been displayed, that is the purchase requisition we have just created. So guys, this is all about purchase requisition. So if you found this video useful, please like the same and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.